Want to write a resume that gets results? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you create a professional resume with confidence. Choose the right resume format. Chronological resumes are best for experienced pros. The functional format works for career changers or those with employment gaps. Combination blends both. Add your contact information. Include your full name, phone, professional email, city, and even your LinkedIn. Include a resume headline to grab attention, like award-winning educator or LPN with 11+ years of experience. Summarize your top skills and achievements in 2 to 3 sentences using keywords from the job description. Showcase your work experience, listing each job with your title, company, and dates of employment. Use bullet points to highlight achievements, not just duties. Add a skills section, highlighting 6 to 8 relevant hard, soft, and technical skills that match the job. Include your degree, school, location, and graduation date. Recent grads should put education above experience. Customize with extra sections if they're relevant, like certifications, awards, languages, volunteer work, or projects. Don't forget, proofread your resume for typos, double-check your details, and use a professional template for a polished look. Ready to build your perfect resume? Visit Live Career today to get started.